Yo, what's good, everybody? How we doing? How's the trading going this evening? Good evening, Umar, Keegan, Tommy, Enrico. Those of you that are in the vertical stream, feel free to click on the other live stream on my channel. Get over to the horizontal where everybody's hanging out at. What's up, Massive? How are you? Good evening, CB, Grumpy, BB, Puneet, Randall, Doug, JB, Jack, Red. Red, you're in Turkey? Why are you in Turkey, Red? Leo, Chris, what's up? BDS, what's up? Semperfi. Who else is here? J Love, Moxie, Adam, Tim, Jordan, Thanasis. How we doing, guys? Another shameless night design? Yeah, I know. It's bad. It just keeps going up. What's up, Spider Lily? How are you? Long time no see. Guys, we are giving away another 50K core account with MyFundedFutures this evening. Exclamation point West in the chat. You know the drill. Let me make sure the giveaway is working here. All right. Well, there's a few people entered for sure. All right, here they all come. All right. But yes, exclamation point West in the chat will enter you into that drawing for the 50K core account giveaway. I'm not sure how late I'm going to go this evening, guys, especially if the market's just kind of slow and not moving around. I'm going to probably not go like 2-3 hours tonight. Let's get you some tunes here. There we go. Okay. All right. We are good to go. Ray, when did I start streaming? What do you mean? Like overall or tonight? Chris, I believe you're locked into that. I believe you're locked into that price that you purchased it for. So if you purchased it on a promo price, it rebills at that same price, I believe. Don't quote me on that, but I think. Adam will have 500 on stream tonight. I mean, maybe. I don't know. That would definitely be a new record for sure. Overall, like time, Ray, I go live Sunday through Thursday starting at 8:30 p.m. Eastern Standard. We normally go till about 10:30 or 11. Tonight might be a little bit earlier. We'll see what happens. 5.5K. Woo, Adam's going. Oh, you're going like plus 200 subscribers tonight? We're at 5,306 currently. So you're going for plus 200 subs tonight? All right, then. I mean, I'll take it. Don't get me wrong. What's up, Rice? How are you? What's up, Zanuck? How are you? Enrico. Yeah, I trade the New York Open every day. I just don't stream during New York session. How many are watching now? Oh my goodness. Okay, my channel is for sure being botted. There's no way there's 789 people in here right now. There's zero shot that there's that many. We have 1K viewers right now. Okay, yeah, right. Yeah, right. Yeah, right. We are for sure getting botted. 100% getting botted. There is zero shot that we have 1,000 people in here right now. Zero chance. I mean, the sub count's not going up. Yeah, there's zero chance. We are definitely getting botted here. Who is botting my channel? Who is botting the channel? If it helps the algo. No, here's the thing. Like, when your channel gets botted like this, YouTube actually like penalizes you. Like, they could shut down my channel for stuff like this if they keep it up, you know? So whoever's botting my channel out there, please stop. Like, please stop. I mean, we are at 1.2K right now. Currently in the stream, apparently. Yeah, sellers. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. Probably that WesleyEmeraldGate clown. Yeah, I don't know what to do here. Yeah, guys, hit that thumbs up button for me if you could, I guess. I don't know. I don't know what's going on. This is out of control. I didn't know that there was that many futures. What's up, Powell? How are you? We're trying to figure out the whole botting situation. I've never had this many viewers, guys. I mean, if that's legitimate, there's zero chance. There's zero chance that's legit. That's definitely botting. Because my subscriber count is not moving. I'm over here losing my voice. I mean, there's only, put it this way, only 40 people. I only have 40 entries on my giveaway right now. So, yeah, I'm not, we got 1.8K in here. Okay, all you 1.8K people that are lurking in the background, if you're real, hit that subscribe button for me. Smash the thumbs up button. This is crazy. Guys, we are giving away a 50K core account with MyFundedFutures this evening. Exclamation point West in the chat will enter you into that drawing. We'll announce the winner. I'm going to say we're going to announce the winner we're going to go 9:30 p.m. tonight. So we'll go in about 50 minutes. And aviation edits, we're going to do it with MyFundedFutures this evening. So you're saying if we turn off the monetization, it will go away? 2,252 viewers. Yeah, Nims, I don't know what's going on. Nims, it's bots. My channel's been botted for sure. There's zero chance that these numbers are real. Zero chance. I mean, we're at 5. We've picked up We're at 5,309 subscribers currently. So it's not like the subscribers are blasting off. To Zero, I'm probably going to call it an early night tonight. So it might only be an hour-long stream, especially if the botting continues up at the way that it is. I mean, we've got 2.4K viewers right now. Hey, Mick, welcome to the channel. You're tuning in on a random weird night. This has never happened before. But the channel's definitely been botted. We normally have about 300 people in the streams. But thanks for the sub. I appreciate you. Welcome to the channel. I hope you come back. I don't know. I don't know, Red. I got nothing. I got nothing. Yeah, it's crazy. We normally have about, 250 to 300 people in the streams. So this is outrageous. What I tell you about to go into those sites. But yes, guys, we are giving away that 50K core account with MyFundedFutures this evening. Exclamation point West in the chat. Bots inviting more bots. Exclamation point West in the chat. We'll enter you into that drawing. All caps on the West tonight. We're going to try to limit the damage. Randomly pick 5 peeps and then they race. Yeah, 2.4K viewers is a little crazy. I don't know what's going on here. And I don't know how to fix it. Mason, if you can fix it somehow, fix it. You need the account, happy kids? Well, good luck. I hope you I hope. Hopefully luck is on your side this evening. Let me check. Let me just make sure the giveaway is not getting out of hand here. All right, we got 81 people entered. That makes sense. I was gonna say if we've got all these entries in here. All right, so the giveaway is still good. Yeah, I blame Mason. It's because Nims is in the chat. Yeah. Yeah, that's insane. That's insane. What's up, Lee? How are you? Sorry, I'm trying to get settled in here. The channel has been botted like crazy. We apparently have 2.4K people in here right now, is what it's saying. That can't be real. That can't be real. You're long. You hope it goes to 20. I like the long. This hold at 700, the bounce at 700. If my channel wasn't getting botted and I was paying attention, that would have been my long entry on the hold above 700. I'd probably be targeting next level to the top side. I got 780. So that's probably where 4.6K. What? No. No, really? Okay, my channel has for sure been botted. So it's coming from the shorts feed. We have 1,075 likes on the shorts feed. No, this can't be real. Like that can't be real. Ms. Rain, that can't be real. That can't be real. Like to have that many viewers and we've only picked up 10 subscribers off of that many views. That just seems outrageous to me. I mean, that's unheard of numbers. Tommy, I'm famous. I don't know about that. I'm definitely not famous. 3K viewers. Yeah, Nims, this is crazy. This is crazy. Turn subscribers mode only. Yeah, I guess that's what... Mason, can you do me a favor? Turn on subscriber mode only. I think we have it turned on already. But like the numbers aren't lining up. We only have 105 people entered into the giveaway currently. So it's not outrageous, you know. Like if we had like 2,000 entries into the giveaway, I would think something's up. Something's definitely up with the botting though. Someone bought views? Is that Flake? Is that what you think is going on? You think someone's trying to bomb my channel? Yeah, this is crazy. Because I know if YouTube catches on to this, they could really do some damage to my channel. For sure. Like, they could shut my channel down, in other words. So if you are botting out there, please stop. Please stop. I realize me asking isn't going to do anything, but yeah, Scalpulator, that's almost what it feels like, right? I don't know why. Empowerment TV, huh? Emerald. Yeah, I'm for sure being botted. 100% being botted. Yeah. Mason. You got to do something on your end, brother. You got to do something on your end, brother. Yeah, I Yeah, this is I don't know what to do. We almost have 5K viewers in here right now. Well, welcome to the stream, guys. If there really is 5K of you out there, my name is Wes. Just your average everyday futures trader. Small streamer. Small streamer. Don't know what's going on here. But welcome to the channel. Hopefully you find value in the channel. Hopefully you enjoy the content. You know, it's crazy. Maybe all waiting for signal. Mr. Bagbeef 0 Day J had this happen on his channel for weeks, and his channel is still live and kicking. Yeah, it's wild, man. 5.5K viewers in the live stream right now. What, Mike T, what's my analysis on gold? All right, yeah, we'll get back to ooh. Well, we kind of got a break and retest here. So I would actually be long on gold myself up into like, you know, 4170, 4175 up here. That seems like a logical topside target right now if you are long. Paul K, are you here? Are you holding on to that swing on gold? $5,000 bots, one account. I mean, we only have 130 people into the giveaway, so I'm not sure. Sorry, I'm a little thrown back here. Had 40K viewers. Yeah, it's crazy. I'm not used to this. I didn't know that my channel was to the point where that's gonna happen to me. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm a small streamer, and in the grand scheme of things, right? Like 5K views is, I think it's a lot of people, and that's really great growth that we've had, or 5K subscribers. But in the grand scheme of things, that's really, really small. You know, that's a small channel. Okay, that's crazy. 6.6K. Yeah. Yeah, this is nuts. 2.6% real people. Yeah, Mike, I know, it's crazy. Viewers are more than subs. I know, it's crazy. I mean, because sub count wise, guys, we're sitting at 5,318. So we've picked up like 15 new subscribers so far. So if you are new here, welcome to the channel. The streams are normally a lot smoother than this. This is a rare instance. Turn off embedded views in studio. Okay. Hey, Dark Side, welcome. Yeah, you guys are all you new people here. Welcome to the channel, by the way. My name is Wes. I'm a full-time futures trader. I live stream every Sunday through Thursday, starting at 7:30 p.m. Eastern or 8:30 p.m. Eastern Standard. Sorry, I'm all thrown off now. You are here on a rare instance. This is the first time this has ever happened on my channel. It's normally a lot better than this. Normally a lot more smooth running. 7,400. It's out of your hands. I know. I don't know what to do. Yeah, Martin. Martin definitely getting botted for sure. Like, it would be great if it wasn't that way. Yeah, Renfrew. I mean, I've got my editor Mason on it right now. Whatever he's doing. Let's see. Someone said turn. Where is it? Sorry, guys. If I'm missing your chats, I apologize. I'm trying to figure things out. What's up, Jose? Keep going as nothing happens? Turn off embedded view. Mason, turn off embedded view in YouTube Studio, please. Take it as a compliment. Someone's spending money just to F with me. I mean, if they really wanted to spend money, they could like super chat to F with me, you know? Like, if they really wanted to spend money, they don't need a view bot and like try to kill my channel. Will only work for videos, not live though. Okay. Just close my eyes. Well, for those of you that are just tuning in, we are giving away a 50K core account with MyFundedFutures this evening. Exclamation point West in the chat. We'll enter you into that drawing. Welcome to the stream. Welcome to this crazy botted stream. You didn't even see a single prop from channel pump like that? Ms. Rain, you think it's just a, I mean, we got 7.6K people in here. Get off gold and back to NQ. Yeah, NQ's on a launch. NQ's on the launching pad. Yeah, Doom. Definitely first time getting botted, for sure. Definitely first time getting botted. Oh, man. I'm over here losing my voice. Why can't it be real? There's zero chance. Like when you go from averaging you know, like 300 concurrent viewers in a live stream to currently having 7.6K in one night, that's not organic growth. That is that is for sure botting. I would, you know, I'd understand. I would understand. Yeah, guys, smash that thumbs up button for me if you could. Yeah, Leo, I mean, I'm Mason's on it right now. Mock is on it right now. He's on it. Trust me. No, it's definitely bots. It's definitely bots. All right. So the Nasdaq is given the break and retest at 700. We've cleared 720 at this point. I'm going to need a pullback in order to hop on this long, but I think it's gone. You're probably going up above, probably going to 800, to be perfectly honest. Looking to the left, we had the highs at 770 here last night on the overnight during London session. That seems like the logical spot where this would turn around, really. They're botting NQ. I'm not a bot. Oh, it's definitely a bot. Without a doubt, it's a bot. I'm definitely being botted. Without a doubt. Hey, all 7,000 bots out there, feel free to super chat if you'd like. You could do some membership purchases as well. You could do some membership purchases as well. That'd be great. Yeah, Caleb, Quant Hour's amazing. I will never go away from it. Okay, so we do have a block sitting up here around 750. One at 749, one at 750. You got 303 orders at 749 and 52 sitting at 750. Logically, it makes sense for us to continue higher. You might have a pullback first. I wouldn't be opposed to a pullback into 720 and a long from 720 or maybe even 710. Point of control sitting there right now in the current session. So yeah. 7.6K people. Come on, man. Come on, man. What is going on? Oh, Mr. Burp. Yeah, nice. Nice. Yeah, globex is good sometimes. There's nights where it's a little slow. There's nights you definitely want to take off from the charts, but you know, you can get some decent movement during the Asia session. More than Patrick Queenland. I know, Sonny. It's ridiculous. I don't understand it. I don't understand it. I'm not that big of a channel. I'm just not. You know? If there is that many people out there, say hello in the chat. If there's 7.6K people watching right now, we've only picked up 17 new subs tonight. So, there's 17 new people in the chat this evening. David, thank you. I mean, I appreciate it. Thank you for the kind words. I'm just an average dude. I'm not one of these superstar streamers, though. Right? I'm not yelling at the charts. I'm not yelling at my monitors. I'm not yelling at you guys. I'm not, you know, my channel's normally pretty chill. Normally pretty chill in here. They run to be a part of it, Beaks. Yeah. Nims, you'll keep buying bots. Is it you, Nims? Are you the one that's doing? Okay, they're starting to go down. We only have 6.3K in here is what I'm showing. So they're starting to go down. Let's see what we settle back into here. Hey, what's up, Bob? How are you? Those 17 own the bots. Yeah, I mean, we definitely have noticed an increase with the giveaways. For sure. You know, subscribers just drop off like flies after the stream. So we've definitely, I think we have been botted before. You know, like some of these usernames are pretty telling, right? I hope you guys are real. If you are real, welcome to the channel. Thanks for the sub. I appreciate you. James, how do you get on the giveaway? Exclamation point Wes, all caps. What's up, James? Welcome to the channel. They want to be a part of the channel. More yelling, less chill, Zen. Oh, you're Spicy McHaggis on Discord? Okay, Zen. Nice. What's up, She Slays? Yeah, I mean, we're dropping. We're down to 4.4K now. So they're dropping off. Let's see what we settle into. It should be around, I'm guessing, I don't know. What would you guys say? Like 200, 250 right now at this time? You can yell at the chat and need to channel your rage from being wicked out on almost every trade today. Yeah, Martin, I had one of those days yesterday, brother. I felt for you when you posted in Discord today. I did. That's how, I mean, it just happens like that some days. Oh, that's true, globex girl. I didn't think about that. That's true. In fact, that's a good idea for tomorrow. That's a good idea. What's up, Lambra? Welcome to my botted stream. Chicken Trader, there's times where I'm not this chill. There's definitely times. Yesterday, I was raging. Yesterday, I was raging. I took about 1 million break-evens yesterday, and I was pretty close to tilted. Luckily, I pulled away and stopped trading. You know, I walked away, but man. Chris, no, I didn't buy the bots. I have nothing to do with that. Nothing to do with that. Buying bots actually kills your channel. Like that YouTube will really ping your channel if they're onto it, for sure. You usually throw your chair. Okay, I don't throw the chair or anything like that. James, do I teach people how to trade? I mean, people, you know, like if you ask questions in the chat, I'll teach you. But I don't have any courses or mentorships or anything like that. There are a few in here that have learned lessons from me over time. For those of you that are new here, my name is Wes. The way everything kind of got started and how the community started building was I used to post pre-market trading plans in Good Gains Discord, which is Trades by Matt's Discord. And people started noticing that I kind of knew what I was talking about. Kind of. And that's kind of how the majority of us met. And then it's just kind of grown from there. I don't buy the bots. Someone who bought the bots. No, I definitely didn't. I definitely bought 0 bots. 0 bots. Hey, what's up, Faye? You usually just flip your screen to make you feel better. Am I WesleyEmeraldGate? Yeah, Chris, I am. I did see the fake me in Pine Trader stream tonight. Actually, called it out. They were in my stream as well. I have since blocked their chatting capabilities, so they shouldn't pop up. You know you hit the big time when you have imposters and bots. Oh, Lambra. It's just bots. I'm not famous. I am not famous. Okay, so Mock is saying he's talked to YouTube support. Views will be properly adjusted after we end the stream. There's nothing we can do to stop it. We will not be penalized. Okay, so we'll not be penalized. All right. Back to regularly scheduled programming. They're dropping off now, guys. They're dropping off. You know who created the bot then? The guy you banned? Well, technically, you can't ban people on YouTube. You can just block them from chatting. on your streams. You can't technically like ban people from your channel, but you can make it so that they can't chat. Yeah, Pro Trader, bot's definitely attacking tonight for sure. I mean, we were up to what, 7,500 people in here according to YouTube at one point in time. Yeah, Johan. So I always go 20 points because it defines my risk. You guys can draw that. Really, it's just a line. You know, it's a definitive price. But this is kind of what I use to define my risk. Hey, what's up, Z? How are ya? Gene, you're new to the channel and you were just wondering what about Pepe? Yeah, James, it's bad. James, I've been trading for 4.5 years. 4.5 years. 4.5 years. For those of you that are new here, welcome to the channel. Things are finally starting to calm down a little bit. We're getting back to the normal amount of viewers. My name is Wes. I am a full-time futures trader. I am a profitable trader, but I'm not one of these guys who makes millions every year. You know, I feel like I'm very average as far as profitable traders are concerned. It is what I do for a living, but I'm not loaded or super rich or anything like that. And anything you learn from me is going to be free. We got lots of good traders in the channel, in the chat. So any questions that you have, if I don't know the answer to them, the chances of somebody in the chat knowing the answer to them is highly likely. There's better traders that watch my channel than me. So don't hesitate to ask questions. I will do my best to answer them. All those flashing money seem very sketchy. Yeah, you know, some of them are legit. You'll notice in the trading world, especially, and it's not just the young, it's all up and down. It's just part of some people's personality to kind of flash it and brag and boast. You know, some are legit and can prove it. Others just run their mouths. So you just have to take everything with a grain of salt. You know, there's nothing for me to brag about as far as my trading is concerned. Palm, thanks for letting me borrow one of the Ferraris. You know I own no Ferrari. Palm. And donate $500K to your cousin's charity. Oh, thanks, Mick. Appreciate you. Yeah, guys, if you could, we're trying to build our X following up. So if you could go give us a follow on X, we'd really appreciate it. We've got about 100 followers on X right now. We will begin to post a little bit more once the followers get up. Alex stream is popping tonight. Yeah, it's bots. It's bots. It's the normal people here. Yeah, true. True, P Doggy. Some flash to sell a course. It's 100% correct. I'm never going to sell a course. I don't sell courses or mentorship programs or signal services. That's not how it's going to be. You know, I remember how it was as a beginning trader. It really sucked. You fall into the trap, you know. You really got to know where to look to find high value information out there when it comes to the streaming world, because, you know, unfortunately, there are a lot of gullible people that will spend $4,000 every 3 months to try and learn. Yeah, Faye, 100%. It is scalable, without a doubt. You just got to do it properly. You got to build it slowly and scale up as your account can afford it, you know. But as long as you're consistent, yeah, it is scalable, without a doubt. What's up, Sherwin? How are you? Massive, you're still paying tuition? Yeah, get that tuition paid off. You're doing, I mean, as long as you're not spending a bunch of money on trading, you know, I would say if you're still in debt, pay off debt before you ever put real money into the markets, for sure. You can get a mentor for free. Yeah, PG. It's 100%. You know, and there's lots of good, free, valuable information on YouTube out there too. You know, you just got to know where to look. But no, I'll never sell a course or mentorship or signal service ever. So, so you're in a safe space here. So feel free to ask questions. If I know the answers, I'll tell you. If I don't, I'll tell you that as well. I'm not going to sit here and lie to you and make up a bunch of stuff. So, but welcome, guys. Welcome to the channel. It still says 2.5K people in here. Hey, Mo, thanks. Make sure that you link your YouTube account to your Discord profile and join Level Up Discord if you haven't yet. And you will have access to my pre-market trading plans on Level Up Discord each morning. But thank you for the support. I appreciate you. Dark Side, do I use Take Profit Trader? Yes, I do use. So I trade with actually only 3 props right now. I trade with MyFundedFutures, I trade with Take Profit Trader, and I trade with Lucid Trading Company. All 3 are reliable. All 3 are trustworthy. Top Step is another good option. They're just a little more pricey right now. Mr. Burp, I mean, I don't miss working. The one thing that is bad about not working a regular job is the face-to-face social interaction that you normally have. You know, the camaraderie with, you know, the team. I kind of find that with you guys a little bit. Granted, it's not face-to-face, but it allows me to have that social interaction for sure. Top Step has a 40% discount right now. Yeah, that's a pretty good deal with them. You feel like you forgot how to talk to people? James, if you type !Discord in the chat, there it'll populate a link for you. The name of the Discord is called Level Up. People are overrated. Sometimes, yeah. There's some hooligans out there for sure. Those of you that are in the vertical stream right now, by the way, feel free to click on the other live stream on my channel. It's the one without the word mobile in the title. It's a lot better viewing experience. You'll get to see my full screen, and that's where most people are hanging out and chatting right now. So feel free to click on that other live stream, and I think you'll have a much more enjoyable experience. All right, guys, make sure you get your, we're going to try to eliminate the botting at this point, but make sure that you type !West in the chat. We are giving away a 50K core account with MyFundedFutures this evening. We will do that giveaway here in about 14 minutes or so. So make sure that you get your entries in. Yeah, Tommy, it's gone. It's going right to 780. Right to 780. I mean, you might have a hiccup here at 770 on the London session highs, but just it's almost inevitable at this point. Even a liquidity sweep above those London highs is going to take you right into that 780. We do have R1 pivot sitting there as well, so it makes sense to go there. Futures charts. We think they're bots. I don't think there's 2.5K people watching. And if there is, welcome, guys. That's an amazing stream. But we've only gained like 35 subscribers so far. So, oh, Tommy, you're going. Wait, Tommy, you've got 26,007 as a target and you're short from 700? Mr. Burt, because you've got extension to the top side here. A lot of times these black areas, these are my rules, right? I'm not really good at scalping. I prefer to be executing from these levels that you see. Because a lot of times what you see is a lot of chop and back and forth in these areas that I have marked on as black on the charts. If you look left, it's a lot of chop. So you kind of want to be executing from swing highs, swing lows. You know, really the ideal entry was this 700 retest here. Break, retest, hold. I mean, the last entry that I would have looked at on this was when all the botting was happening, and it would have been this little flag setup. The breakout on the flag. But that's really as late as I would want to be on this move. 720 at the latest. And we just never got that pullback. But that's why. You don't want to chase price a whole lot. That's a way to get wrecked. St. Isidore, how do I create my boxes? I'm looking at higher time frames. Nothing less than the 30-minute charts. And what I'm looking for is, you know, swing highs, swing lows, where price has rejected a lot in the past, where it has held its support and bounced a lot in the past as well. And I'm looking for those areas on the charts. Nothing lower than a 30-minute time frame. I am going to film a video that walks through the entire process so that you guys, if you want to start looking for the levels each week, it all starts with my movement on Sunday before the market even opens. A lot of it is based on prior week's price action. So that's the real starting point, is prior week high, prior week low. And then from there, you kind of zoom in. And you know, that'll give you your bias for the week, or for a good portion of the week, really. Hey, what's up, George? But yes, I am going to put out a piece of content with that. Can you please explain how to set up a stop loss, James? What do you mean? Like actually execute a stop loss? That's gonna be different on your which trading platform you're on. So for me, setting up a stop loss is as easy as putting a limit order on. Let's do it below current price. Okay, why is that not working right now? Here, let's do this. So if I put a buy limit on, I would just drag the SL here and drop it. And that puts a stop loss on. It's a lot easier to show you if you're on the horizontal stream than if you're on the vertical stream. So if you click on that other live stream, you'll get a better viewing experience for sure. What's up, Julio? No, I invited no friends. I don't know what the botting is for. I have no idea. Definitely being botted, but I have no idea. We were up at like over 7,500 people viewing at one point in time, apparently. Yeah, cheers, James. But James, it's definitely going to be different on each platform, the way that you set a stop loss. So you'll just need to, I mean, you can do it with limit orders if you really want to. You can just set another limit order there for the same size of contracts that you put on, or the same number of contracts that you put on. How was my 15 minutes of fame with the 7K watchers? I mean, I don't think there were really 7K watchers. I still don't believe that there's 2,500 watchers. Patrick, do you have to use a high-end tech PC? No. Patrick, you know, I would say minimum for trading, you're going to want probably at least 16 gigs of RAM. And really, that's really all you need. It's really just RAM that you're going to need. I would say minimum 16 gigs of RAM. I have 64 gigs of RAM in my PC, but that's just because I have a lot going on when I'm streaming. And that's overkill. You don't need that much. You don't need that much. But 16 gigs of RAM is really what you're looking for. And a decent processor. I would say i5 or higher. Yeah, call me Pa. Plus, yeah, I have 4 monitors. But you can do it on a single monitor. Yeah, Patrick. Yeah, I have DDR5. But you can with trading it really doesn't matter. Gaming, when you get into those kind of specs on a PC, it does start to matter. All right, guys, we got about six minutes or so till the giveaway. So make sure that you get your entries in. Exclamation point Wes will enter you into that drawing for the 50K core account with MyFundedFutures that we're giving away at 9:30 Eastern tonight. Can I crank on Fortnite? Margaret, first time here. Welcome to the channel, first and foremost. Happy to have you. Welcome to the community. Do I trade with No, I really just have VWAP on my charts for the stream. I don't really trade based off VWAP. The volume profiles that you see on the right and left-hand sides are different time frames. This one being the current session volume profile. And then on the left-hand side, I've got yesterday's volume profile is like the magenta. The blue is the current week's volume profile, which is kind of hidden behind the previous week because there was a lot of volume and a lot of movement put in. So those are the 4 volume profiles that I have on my chart. Man, I'm losing my voice. I know, Adam. There's nothing to do because you do risk that pullback at a certain point in time if you're entering up here. I mean, you have all these possible rejection areas to the top side. Julio. Yeah, cheers. Yeah, I mean, we're at 5,346 new subscribers. So we've picked up 40 new subs tonight. P-Dog, I don't normally trade gold. So I have gold, right? And I'll give my analysis on what I see on gold when people ask, but I don't really know what I'm doing on gold. I'll be 100% honest with you. That's a scary symbol. You can definitely get wrecked really quick on gold. And I prefer to keep my money. Andros, what markets do I usually trade? I usually trade the index futures. So I'm normally trading NQ. That's what I place about 95% of my trades on. But occasionally you'll see me look at YM or ES or RTY, but the US indexes for the most part. I'll look at gold. I'll look at oil. But mainly NQ. What is a good strategy for NQ? Everybody's going to tell you something different, Modern Family. You know, a lot of people like the fibs. A lot of people use fib-based strategies just because, you know, that 61.8 and the 50% retracements on moves are generally good bounce areas, and you can at least get a scalp out of it. So, you know, it varies trader to trader. And it really depends on what your risk appetite is as well. Sell high, buy low. Mr. Burp, have I ever tried a different strategy that was a total flop? Yeah, for me, it was the EMA crossovers that ended up being a total flop. Some people do have success with it. I never could find it. Bo. Well, I can't repeat that, but If you sell here, you will get rich. I don't know. I don't know. It feels like it wants a little bit higher. I am not selling here. Nothing on this channel is financial advice. Do not copy my trades. You will get wrecked. Levi, I still like higher. I mean, we could get a pullback, you know, off of front running or tapping those overnight highs from last night. But it feels like this is inevitable, 800 and above. On the DOM, you're looking at this area. There is some interest down here around 700 still. I just don't know if that pulls back and gets tapped into first before we make this move, which is why I'm hands off. Levi, yeah, if you type exclamation point Discord in the chat, that will populate a link. Oh, there it is. Mock took care of it for me. All right, guys, give me 1 second. I'll be back in a minute, and we're going to do that giveaway. So exclamation point West in the chat.
Jay, love you like EMA crossovers? Yeah, I just never found any like sustained success with them. My trading's really simple, guys. You know, I'm buying at the top sides of these zones and I'm shorting at the bottom sides on rejections. It's really as simple as that for me. Yeah, helium voice?
Well, there you go. You had the helium voice for a second. Chicken Trader, I'm around 74% overall throughout my trading. Please do the giveaway in helium voice mode. Yeah, I'm not sure why my mic does that. All right, guys. The stream music isn't working. Let me get the music going, and then we're going to do the giveaway. All right. Okay. Well, we have 242 people to enter into the giveaway. Last chance to get in. Exclamation point Wes in the chat will enter you into this drawing that we're going to do in about 30 seconds. So make sure you get your entries in. You will need to type something in the chat in order to claim the prize. We'll do the giveaway in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Randall, you are the winner of the 50K core account with MyFundedFutures. Type something in the chat to claim your prize, brother. Congratulations. Hey, there we go. There we go. Randall, are you on Discord? Yeah, cheers, Randall. Cheers, Randall. Randall, are you on Discord? If so, send me a friend request real quick. Because I got to grab some information from you. Sorry, guys. Waiting for Randall to send me a friend request. I know I'm quiet here. Randall rigged. No, congrats, Randall. Congrats on the free account. It's amazing. Red candle, Randall. All right. I think I gotcha. Yeah, Mr. Burp. Yeah, you're getting a little bit of a pullback yet. I'd actually I don't hate a 720 pullback. I got you, Randall. Just type in that DM that we've got going now. Just type that it's you. Just so I know that it's you. Man, I am losing my voice, guys. All right. All right. Okay, guys. It's still saying, do we still really have 2.5K people in here? There's zero chance, right? Like, they should be dropping off now that we did the giveaway, right? John told you we getting rich shorting this top. 300 people, 2.2K bots. Yeah, I know. The bot attack is real. Yeah, like, it was real tonight. That was crazy. In fact, yeah, I'm just going to, yeah, I'm sorry, guys. I'm actually going to end the stream here and make sure everything's good on the back end. So it's a little worrying. It's a little worrying for me. So I hope you understand, and I apologize for it being such a short stream, but with me losing my voice and everything that's happening tonight, I'm going to make sure everything's okay and go take care of some back-end stuff here and security check kind of thing. Thanks for hanging out with me tonight, guys. I appreciate you. We will be back tomorrow evening at 8:30 p.m. It will be a normal stream, hopefully. Fingers crossed. If you're continuing to trade this, trade safe, stay patient. Welcome to all you new subscribers. I live stream every Sunday through Thursday starting at 8:30 p.m. Eastern. We normally go till about 10:30 or 11. So it's normally a 2 to 3 hour stream. But tonight was a little different, obviously. But welcome, guys. Hopefully you come back. Hopefully you stay subscribed. And I will see you all tomorrow evening. Peace.